Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. How una dey? Also, una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. I really appreciate una well, well. My people, this video wey I bring come so, maybe some of una don still see am, while some never see am. This our brother, this road wey go show una so, na Aunchi road. Hey, my brothers and my sisters dem say dat country go better. E go better na we still dey so. Una see road wey dem just newly do. This one na new road o, no be say road wey dem don do e don tey. This one na new road wey dem just tie. Una see road. This road wey una just dey see so, na hand na this man take dey comot am. Una see where car dey pass. Una see where all this tipper wan pass. If una see the road una go say dem dey see this kind road wey dem just dey tie. This one na new road o, no be say e don old, say na 5 years o, say na maybe na 2 years ago. Una see as the country be. Una see as e dey use hand take dey touch am, the thing just dey remove by itself. The country dem say e go better, e go good, make we no worry. We no know the time wey e wan take better, the time wey e go take good. This kind road hi, na wow, baba God. Na only God go help that country. Only God na go help that country. Me even dey talk am say na the leader na the leaders na dem no good, abi na those people na people wey dey na no good. Me I no come understand. After wey dem give dem money say make dem take do road, una see the kind road wey dem dey do. The worst part of it, nobody dey even dey control dem. Nobody dey look am wetin dem dey do. This man now na just a citizen wey just dey pass, so na make am stop say make him see this kind road wey dem dey do, because he don first see one road wey dem still do wey just be say road dem just dey do am finish, the road just dey spoil dey go. Na small rain na go just fall, small one na go fall, e go comot everything for there. This one na road wey dem do. Wetin dey do the people? I no know wetin dey worry some of our people wey dey home. Dem go give una money una take do something, dem no dey do. See the way wey dem take do this one now, and nobody dey even dey care to go dey check whether dem do the road well. For abroad, for here dem dey do something, dem go get those people wey dem dey call, wey go come control the road before car go fit dey pass am. And why no be like that? Anything wey dem dey do for here, dem dey control am. Dem go call the technical come, make dem come check whether that thing don dey okay. Dem go person fit dey use am. Otherwise dem no go open am for the public make people dey use. See this one, car don dey pass am up and down. Car don dey pass am. If this this trailer, if dem pass this one once, no be only once e go take spoil, everything go just kpafuka. E go be like say dem never even do the road before, and dem come dey talk say dem spend millions na dem spend for there. Millions una spend am, una no spend am well. Dem put na wow, dem go put sand under. Dem go come put this concrete, dem go put am small, put am for there. This one na road. This one no be road. Una see wetin dem dey do. Una see the country wey dem go say e go better. When e go take better, una go dey do one thing 100 times. Which time go take better, my people? The thing dey tire person. Even the country don even tire sef. Even the country dem don tire. Don now say dem do road, people dey happy say dem don do road. After 6 months you come see say road as dem take where dem for start am, go start to dey move comot for ground. E go be like say dem never even put road for there. My people, I will put the video, una watch am, then una help me share am. Una share am, make people see wetin dem dey use our money take dey do. Na road dem say dem wan do, dem no dey do am. Dem go dey do am 100 times. We go do road for now. Now dem will still dey talk say dem wan do road for that country. No, better thing dem suppose to dey do now, because all the money wey dem go give them, people wey dey chop am, dem go chop am. Dem go put sand for there, put small concrete this thing for small for inside. Dem say dem don do the road. Me I put the video, my brothers and sisters, una watch.
All right, my network may not be too strong, but a very quick one, because I'm at a location where the network is not very good. This is Igara Auchi Express Road. at the moment. I'm at a section of the road, the one they are currently constructing between Ipeshi and this Nikoo. Now that they construct road, the equipment they still dey road now. The equipment still dey road, that they work on the road, and the road don already dey fail for their own present. Network no dey everywhere. That is why I come part where network dey. This one never even fail o. This one no fail. If I peel am with hand again now, they will say I dey peel road with hand. This one na federal government road again. This one no be state road. This one no be local road. This one no be road wey be say they suppose do. In the next how many minutes, the road go dey fail again. You see, a lot of things dey happen for this country. The little money wey we dey borrow, make we no dey waste am. As far as I'm concerned, this one na waste. Because before you know now, this particular road wey you dey see, e go start to dey spoil again. E go dey spoil. See federal road, see am. Na im be that. E go dey scatter again. Road don dey fail. For road wey dem just dey do yesterday, e don dey fail again today. And the equipment still dey down Ipeshi side there. If you go down that side now, you go see say the equipment still dey there. Federal road for that matter. This one no be link road again. Oh, this one no be this one no be local government road. Oh, this one na federal road. Federal, me I no sabi dey do this thing. I no sabi dey do it. This one na live as e take be na so e be so. Road wey federal government himself dey do. Igara Auchi Express na im be this now. Igara Auchi Express along Ipeshi side na I dey near Nikoo. Na im be this now. E don dey fail again. Tomorrow they go re-award this road again. Tomorrow they go re-award this same road again. Tomorrow, see am, everything go remove. See am. Tomorrow they go re-award am again. Tomorrow they go re-award this road. If they want do something, make they do am. That you call it a palliative measure does not mean that you should come and waste our hard-earned money. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Now, if na half kilometer we fit do, make they do that half kilometer. We go know say the remaining money we will be using it for another thing, or we go know say sorry, we will know say next time we go continue from where we stop. It's not that you come pour asphalt on top of poto. Ordinary small pikin go come dey remove am with him one. See road wey they do now, they still dey here, or their motor still dey work for the road. E don dey fail again. That day that they do the one where they come from Igara come reach Ipeshi. That they do from Igara come reach Ipeshi. Now, I tell them for site, say this work you are doing will fail. The man tell me, say make I go Abuja, go report for Abuja. Now, that road where they do from Igara, that they come reach Ipeshi, no be like say road first follow there again. Everything don scatter. And now that they do this one again from Nikoo, go reach the same Ipeshi. According to them now it is a continuation. But the thing don dey fail again, right very here. I'm sorry for this country, sha. I sorry for everybody wey dey represent or wey no dey represent of well. Abeg, federal government na una own road be this again. Shebi na federal standard be this. Wey and dey remove. I no wan remove am, make no see am. See as e dey shake like olele. You dey see am? See as e dey shake. See am. Federal road o, for that matter. I sorry for this country. Even if person say make him get hope small sef, things wey dey happen for the country no dey give person hope. Make I carry my okada, I no even get motor. Na my okada be this. I no get motor wey I go dey say the anyone wey remain, even if na forest they say make I follow pass, my machine go pass am. My own machine go pass am. I no get motor wey be say I come dey kill myself because of say one motor or the other. I no get motor, e no concern me. Na one wey I fit talk, I don talk to una. So if una like, make una hear. If who like may see the praise them say that they represent una. You no get any representation where that they represent us. Now wicked people, all of them be. Now wicked people, all of them be. Wicked people. They no want make our country better for us. They no want make our children see better country. The thing don't tire person. I just say make I show una again. No, tomorrow una go say they no know. Tomorrow they award the same road again. They waste our money, our hard-earned money.